Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm really excited because I have some new Juvia's place, and the eyeshadow palettes that I have used from them so far are amazing. Now they just released the I Live I Love collection. This has two eyeshadow palettes, so there's I Live I Love and then there's I Live I Love Ice. Now can you guess which eyeshadow palette I used today? Now, along with that, they also released a liner kit, which has two liquid eyeliners in here, two different styles. So I tried those out. They did have a lip kit, which was very bold, and I didn't want to pull from this eye look. So we did try those out. We did swatch some things for you guys. Now, if you're new here, hit the subscribe button down below, hit the bell for notifications of new videos. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Now, if you want to see how I got this look and how those products performed, just keep watching. Okay, you guys, the eyes are primed and I'm ready because I have two palettes. These are from Juvia's Place. It's part of the I Live I Love. Now, there's this one, which is reds and teals. And this is stunning. And it's kind of like those orangey reds, which I don't know if that's my vibe today, but I like this because the teals and the shimmers, there's 3 shimmers, 3 mattes. So this one's really pretty. But there's also the I Live I Love Ice palette. Look at this packaging. I love the artwork for Juvia's Place. Now this color story, you guys. So there's 2 shimmers. I think this one's also a pressed shimmer, but then there's also a pressed glitter. And I kind of want to play with this. I don't think I've actually used a periwinkle story on my channel. I've done blue, I've done teal, I've done greens, but this, like, it speaks to me. So I think this is what I'm going to use. I do want to swatch the shimmers as I usually do. Okay, so this one is the shimmer in the top middle. This shimmer is the one in the bottom middle. This one is this shade right here, which, oh, those are stunning. And then this one is the pressed glitter. Like, you guys, those shades. And I really want to play around with that pressed glitter. I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet, but I really am gravitating towards that shade. So this one right here kind of looks like an iridescent. Let's see. Can you see it? It kind of goes to like a blue purple shift. That is stunning, you guys. And since we're swatching eyeshadows, I figure we'll like go into these shimmers as well and swatch them too. Okay, you guys, this is that top middle shimmer. Like that, beautiful. This is the bottom middle, and then this is that red shimmer. Those 3 shades are also very beautiful. Let's see how they swatch real quick. Ooh. See, and you can see that this one's a little more blue and this one's a little more that mint green. I love beautiful shimmer shades, and these ones are just so buttery and smooth. Okay, so update you guys, this is actually a pressed glitter. I was going to like wipe it off of my hand, and there's actually like red flakes everywhere. It is the finest red glitter, and it is still all over my hand even though I used a makeup wipe. So these 2 are shimmers, that is a pressed glitter. Okay, you guys, so to start out, I'm gonna go into this lightest blue shade and put that into the crease and kind of into the outer V, but then we'll darken it up with this shade right here before we pop into some of those yummy shimmers in that glitter. You guys, I don't think it's there. Like, I can see it, it's just not, it's not really there. All right, so we're gonna go into this darkest shade, try that one out. I will place it in the crease and the outer V, and then we'll blend. Has anyone else picked these up? Did you see them? Were you interested? Were you kind of like, not really sure? Let me know down below. Because I saw them and the shades are stunning. We'll see if it's buildable, but let's work on the outer V real quick. I mean, the good thing is, it's the same color as this vein that I don't like. Anyone else not a fan of the veins in their eyes? And try to cover them and make them disappear. Okay, I feel like there's one area that I just didn't place color in. And then I'll be done blending. I don't know how concentrated we're gonna get with this. I'm gonna try one more. If it doesn't get any darker, we will play with some of the shimmers and the glitter. Okay, it did get darker. It's something that you're gonna layer. And I used an eyeshadow primer, so I don't know how it will work if you don't use something for it to stick to. And it's one of the reasons that I like using an eyeshadow primer, is there's a base for it to stick to. Now, because I want to give some color to this look for the glitter to adhere to, I think I'm gonna use this middle blue shade, put that in the center, then maybe use this iridescent shade, and then we'll go in with the glitter, because I think that's gonna be a little not as concentrated. Using my fingers is one of my favorite ways to apply shimmers. I just feel like I get a better payoff with it. And then the iridescent shade. I don't feel like it's any lighter. I feel like it picked up some of that blue. It's got a little bit of a shift. I don't know if you can tell the difference. This look just went to all icy blue. Guys, that glitter is stunning. See, and this is why I wanted to put the base down, because now when it kind of, like when I pick it up, it's concentrated, but when I set it down, it's a little more dispersed and like spared out, and it is beautiful. Okay, you guys, let me go finish this eye, do some face makeup, and then I'll be back because we have a lip kit and an eyeliner set. Okay, you guys, now we need to finish the under eye, and then we have some other products to use as well. So for the under eye, I'm gonna go back into this shade, and I might just run that with it to kind of lighten it up a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna start lightly and work my way in. I'm just gonna place it under the eye, and then I will blend it out. It's pretty, it's coming off a little bit gray. I'm not mad at it though. Now I'm gonna go into this very light icy shade. I feel like it didn't need that. Probably should have just stopped while I was ahead. Okay, to finish off this look, I do need an inner corner highlight and brow bone, because when I used this icy white shimmer, it ended up blending in with the rest of the eyeshadow. For the inner corner highlight, I'm gonna use something that I just used recently and have fallen in love with, and it's part of the Jaclyn Cosmetics release. This is the face palette that has the blush highlighters in it, and the blush that I have on right now is the one that I have in here, as well as the highlighter that I have on my cheek is this gold shade. But for the inner corner highlight, we're gonna use this light white highlight. And it's just so icy and beautiful. Just a smidge of that, because the first time I used that shade as a brow bone highlight, I grabbed way too much and it just floofed everywhere. You guys, this eye look, I love this glitter, and it's really pretty. Okay, so along with the eyeshadows, there are a liner kit and a lip kit. Now, I don't know that I necessarily wanted to go with a red lip, but you know, it's what I got. Okay, so this right here is the matte liquid lip. This is in the shade Lover Girl, which that's a statement piece right there. And then for the lip liner, we have the shade Scorpio. Okay guys, so I did decide to go ahead and swatch them. This is the lip liner Scorpio, and then this is that liquid matte lip in Lover Girl, which I don't know that that's the shade that I was going for with this look. But you know what? We will try it out. And then also we had the liner duo. So you have a liquid liner and then you have a liner pen. Now, so this one I think is just, oh yeah, it's one of these. Which, if you guys remember the BoxyCharm where I was, or one of my videos where I was like, I don't do these types of liners, I have fallen in love with them. So let's, oh, that's a very nice solid black liner. All right. Okay, so I also don't know if Juvia's Place ever had liners or if this is new. I just know that the duo was part of the collection. I was like, ooh, I want to try them out because I have never tried a liner from Juvia's Place. That is a very big felt tip. Like, that's excessive. But, you know, let's go ahead and... Ooh, that is a nice liner. Like, I love black eyeliners. And this first one looks like it's drying down matte, which I enjoy, especially for work. The other one looks like it's a little bit shiny and it's dried down. Okay, so that first one, this one right here, dried down matte. The other one dried down a little bit shiny. Nothing wrong with that. I'm gonna try them out. So I'm gonna try these out off camera. I don't know, I might try one on one eye and one on the other. I'm not really going anywhere tonight. And then I don't know about the red lip. Maybe I'll do something else and we'll save the red lip for another time because I just don't want to do something that pulls from this eye look. So let me go do my brows, eyeliner, mascara, figure out my lips, and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, I'm back and this is the final look. I'm digging this glitter. I really am. I did decide to keep the lips neutral just because I didn't want to distract from this eye look. I think it's gorgeous all by itself with the eyeliner and mascara. It just finished it off. And I feel like the red lipstick, I'll use that with another look, but I have some thoughts on that eyeliner. So on this eye, I used this liquid eyeliner that's in Well, and I feel like it went on nicely with the glitter. This glided over it. It didn't tug, it didn't pull. And sometimes trying to do black eyeliner after you've done a chunky glitter, it can be a catastrophe. You'll have like flakes of glitter in the eyeliner. It'll be falling down your face because it's snagged or whatever. So for this, like, it was nice. Now, there's always still a learning curve. So the last liquid eyeliner that I had that was kind of in this well form, it had a felt tip, which was nice because it just kind of glided and did its thing. With the brush, it's a little trickier, so I need more practice with this one. Now with this felt tip eyeliner, which is on this side, it went on nice, and I say nice because out here, it did just fine where there was no glitter. But when we got to the chunky glitter, it tugged, it snagged, it pulled, and it wasn't as seamless and as smooth as I would have liked. But that's kind of what you get when you use a felt tip liquid eyeliner. Otherwise, I think it went on well for being on top of chunky glitter. I feel like I got a nice line. The point on the outside or on the exterior is nice. The one thing I will say though is that tip is not that fine. It's kind of a thick tip. I've had eyeliners like in this pen form that I enjoy more. I'll keep trying it out. Maybe with something like less chunky of glitter, it'll perform better, but it's not bad. I will try it out some more, but these two I enjoy so far. The lip kit, I didn't use it. I'll try it out next time. Now the eyeshadow palettes, so this one that I didn't use, I will use in the future. Those shimmer shades were so juicy looking, and then that red glitter was very interesting. I don't know that I want to use the red glitter. I'll have to be strategic in how I use it, but those shades are really stunning. Now this one, you guys, so this one, I didn't see a point in it. Maybe if I had done this shade and then a cut crease and put this on there and then put shimmer or the glitter, it'd be really pretty. I'll have to try that out. But this shade and the glitter and then the shimmer shades that I used were stunning. So I will reach for this again because I think that it's a really fun look. It's not something that I normally gravitate towards. I have been doing a lot of colorful looks, but this one is fun for winter. So let me know your thoughts down below. I'm really interested. Are you picking them up? Are they just not really in your wheelhouse? I'm interested. So put it down in the comments. Now you guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the bell for notifications of new videos. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Until my next video, you guys, bye. I'll see you in the next one.